In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete group chat on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram and then tap at DMs icon to open up your conversations list. Here at the top I got a group chat, I can enter it, and now instead of deleting the chat I can do some more options. I can tap here at names at the top and then scroll down for a bit where I can find leave chat feature. So instead of deleting, I can just leave the chat and I wouldn't receive messages from that group unless someone will add me to that conversation again. But if you want to delete group chat, all you have to do is go back right here at your conversations list and just swipe left on the conversation name to bring up these options, and here just tap at delete and then confirm deleting by tapping here at delete. This action will remove this conversation permanently, so just tap on delete and here it is. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.